Hi there, welcome to Module 4 and congratulations on making it to the last module of the course. Last week you were working on your orientation modules, and this week we're going to continue with that peer review. You're going to help your group mates build some wonderful orientation modules in their courses. The content for this week is going to shift us to the first 10 days of the course. This is when students start moving into the core content for the class. And one of the things to consider is, just like you scaffold the information in the content area, you also want to scaffold any sort of technologies that you may be using. Because students come to us with varying skills, you want to give them some low-stakes opportunities to practice using any tools they might need. So the assignments for this week are to work on a communication plan, and you want to think about how you will continue to communicate with your students throughout the semester and how you will tell students what that plan is. So I hope you enjoy working on that and have a wonderful last week of the course.